ain't buying no more dreams. So what you selling? My pockets got dry from the boat. But if you so for real, you could get wet, but not too much.
The cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Nova is having the biggest sale ever, and I feel like you don't want to miss it because everything is 50 to 85% off. Everything. And when I say everything, I mean Nova Beauty. Nova Beauty, y'all can get y'all some Nova Beauty today because it's on sale. Okay, this is the perfect time to go run, add to your cart, and get that sale. Y'all need to open that computer and add this to your cart because y'all know I keep talking about these products. If this ain't enough to go get you the better products, I don't know what it is because Nova Beauty got the products. Fashion Nova has a sale for Black Friday. 50 to 85% off of everything, not just clothes, makeup to everything. So y'all go ahead and run and go get you some makeup because that's what we about to get into right now because Nova Beauty got them. Nova Beauty got them. This is the look that I came up with and it's so cute. I even got this sweater from Fashion Nova. I got this from Fashion Nova, y'all. Everything is 50 to 85% off. So I will leave everything in the description bar below. When I tell y'all, this has been my favorite palette ever, like my go-to palette, this bronze palette. It has been. It has a bunch of mattes in here, more than usual. So it has 4 mattes and 4 shimmers, like what easy I look. 2 colors on the lid and we out the door. I'm telling you, these are super easy palettes to work with and super simple because nowadays don't nobody got time for that. For real. So go get you one. And I also use brows and lips today, but y'all gonna see in the tutorial. I just wanted to let y'all know that everything on Fashion Nova site is 50 to 85% off. Everything. But without further ado, I know that y'all want to get into this look because it is. And it's giving very much fall. It's giving fall. So y'all need to go shop. Get them Christmas gifts. Okay? Start early. If y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl, Briana Marie. And we're about to get started with this look. So, as far as brows, I went ahead and prepped my brows for the product. I used Nova Beauty Slimline Brow Pencil in the shade black towards the back and brown in the front. But as always, I always do my brows just the same. I go ahead and take black towards the back because it's more, I don't know, just give it a more defined look. And versus from me going all over with the shade black, I do like to ombre my brows. I mix 2 concealers together towards the arch area to give that brow bone a pop. And then in the front of my brows, I like to keep it very close to my skin tone because it just gives it a more natural look towards the front. Prep for the shadow, I'm going to go ahead and take my base. And I want to also just wait a little bit before I blend it out. I was eating on something, I don't know what, but it was good. And then I want to go ahead and blend everything together, getting ready for this shadow. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a deep dark. It's not black, but it's a plum shade. And I'm going to go into a C-shaped motion with a flat brush all the way into the inner corner. After I do that, I'm going to go ahead and then take a small, tiny detail brush and pack this brown right on top of that color. I'm only going to use 2 transition colors, and that's those 2. And I'm going to blend to my desired likings. Now, it's up to you how you want to leave it. Makeup, it has no rules. You can do exactly what you want. But me, I like to do this. And some people may think of this as 2016, 2019 makeup. Okay, I still love the old days, but this is what I do and this is how I learned how to do my makeup. So going back in, and also now I'm taking just a fluffy brush with no product on it and blending out the edges. I love a smoky look on me. It just looks so good. Now going into the Nova Beauty bronze palette, I'm going to take this beautiful shade, and I'm so glad I didn't have no nail on that finger because it just gave me the opportunity to just go in the inner parts of my eyelid and stick this color on. The shade that I'm using out of the bronze palette is called Drip. Beautiful, the perfect gold and a mixture of like this metallic pink seeking through. I love this color. I did go ahead and blend out the edges of that color, Drip, and I went ahead and took some more of that darker purpley brown shadow and I closed out that outer edge. Now it's time for liner. I'm going to take this matte black liner and I'm going to try my best to give a little wing liner, but this liner eats, because what you want to do is you want to start from the lower lash line and then go on up. That's how you get that perfect wing. Then I'm going to pop on some lashes, y'all. Y'all know the routine. Now it's time for face. I prepped my face off camera and I'm just taking a mixture of 2 foundations and mixing those together and put it on my face. It blends out beautiful. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my concealers, also contour and everything that's going to get this face snatched. Spray the face down, as always, to get the products reactivated because sometimes they can be dry. And then go and blend everything out, y'all. I am blending everything. And when I say once I blend it once, I'm going to go back again to make sure everything is flawless. Now to set everything, I'm going to go ahead and take powder. I did mix 2 powders for under the eye and then the other areas like my forehead, chin, under the mouth. I use a butter, like a yellow tone powder. Now it's time for bronzer. I'm going to go ahead and bronze up that face. And y'all, I just love a dramatic face. I just love a dramatic look. That is just me. One day I will become a soft girl, but right now, I just love a bead, okay? The way it just changes your face. Just look at that eye, y'all. And then I'm going to add my blush, and now it's time for the lips. If y'all are forgetting that I just told y'all in the beginning that Nova Beauty is having a 50 to 85% off sale, go run and get you some. Now for this lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and take my favorite lipstick of all times. This is called Tone from Nova Beauty. And they have a new lipstick. What? A nude lipstick. Go get it. This is the best combo. I'm going to take Nova Beauty's 2-in-1 Snatched Lip Liner in the shade Brown 2. And basically close that outer part in and blend it more with the nude. Now taking No Cap for the lip gloss and clear and spray my face. My sinus is always acting up. Put some highlight down the bridge of my nose, and also I'm going to go ahead and set my face with some more powder underneath so that everything can be blended and not oily at all. And y'all, that is it. Don't forget to go check out Nova Beauty, and I'm going to see y'all on the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to go shop with Nova Beauty. 50 to 85% off for everything, y'all. I told y'all, so y'all better go run and go get it. But since y'all made it this far, let me know what you're going to add to your cart, because I would love to know if y'all going to get any items from this video. Y'all should, because this is a whole beat. It's a whole bag. It's a whole bag. So you might as well go ahead and add Nova Beauty items to your cart, especially the ones that I'm using in this video. But y'all, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, rate, and subscribe. Also, tell Nova Beauty that I sent y'all, because I love when y'all do that. Like when y'all order stuff and y'all tell them that we sent you, like that just does something to me. That just does something. Until then, I'll see you guys on my next makeup tutorial.